For me, I saw that this dawn, and even right now at the Accra High Court here, I actually saw it again on social media. For me, I understand how people are sympathizing with her, how everybody is trying to cope. Some people are actually really coping, others are just pretending, others are all hypocrite. But my point is that I think whatever donation that is going on is wrong. You should be able to consult Poloo's management, or you should be able to consult Poloo's legal counsel. You get my point. You can't just go out there to start, getting donation. For which purpose are you getting the donation? Is it for the child? Is it for the mother? Excuse me, so we don't do respect. She's loved by many people. She's hated by many. If you want to do something of that sort to try to show that you actually care, I feel at least the attention of the managing team should be, drawn, or the legal team should be drawn. We can't just go out and put a certain number or whatsoever there that we are taking donation. What I actually saw that didn't make me comfortable as via bank account above 1,000 Ghana cedis. No, it's wrong.
Should you consider it with fraud?
I wouldn't say it is fraud, because I think from what I've asked so far is that DKB is the one who is actually spearheading this. I feel DKB, in whichever respect, should take it easy.
I will be a crime. And the matter saying, BBI come out there. Yes, yeah. And some brave or I ever bought the room. Tis a wab joining me. You made no show my life. Ewo YouTube, the announcer newspaper, Ewo YouTube. At the same time, my life. Ewo Facebook, the announcer newspaper, Ewo Facebook. And some brave or I buy no more bedroom who say Akuapem Pollo. And Tia sa cano, say, Asabno on one cassa, why appeal. The lawyer will file appeal our court. Na lawyer no asema all cano. A home seminano, yet the bebramus is here, number. If it's a summer, say, cost no. Ghana mine per se, and every asimai will be a person who asem no dear epi, and a dear acusina. Until we a dear chili, the Beyonce, I say the assemba, you make sure say ye dear chili drew. Level na be to be channel na fe ya train. Until we a dear chili do level na be to be channel. Until you go so, ye wajma. Na ye make sure some better and some cost. This what joining me. You might know my live for YouTube, the announcer newspaper or YouTube. And at the same time, Facebook, the announcer newspaper or Facebook. Me church mamunyana kwaba eba jumadie so ewo the announcer newspaper so. Sisi ame no mokasa Akuapem Pollo and sema abetodwa echere se. Wa file appeal ewo court. Na appeal no eye ukuada e na court no ebestie asem no. Na appeal na wa file ni nyina ane se. Was a sentence na ye demand on na a hash dodo. And think I say, and yes, a yes sentence be a ye di ubiquatum, Nkayman non custodian sentence. Inti was a judge no sentence in our demand on a ye 2 hash. Inti Cecil the Assemno, a comma a year court of Ufro say, or appeal the judge no a demand on. Akuapem Pollo, they see a minimum case Osu police station. Our train appeal no the besi na se si no enam se wa file appeal our court no the why ne say ohia bail as se say ebe ya aka wo money bail because case no wa file appeal nti that means enya de say ye de no kotum se nti nkebe ya nka ye money bail na won kotena efie nti asoma se say aba eno no Akuapem Pollo or request for bail na wako akotena efie. To not just as much as say, I better a drop. I don't know. You might emotion my life. Ever YouTube, the announcer newspaper, ever YouTube. At the same time, emotion my life. Ever Facebook, the announcer newspaper, ever Facebook, and some air coso, ever Ghana, anywhere as a babyana, ya de bremo. This year, I'm no more saying, and send me so abakwajo upon Kroma, or no, ye minister. Information minister, as soon as I say, Kwajo upon Kroma, so Eddie Atu a drop, and they say, what did they say? Ghana, a bang, or more by Yensha Yahoo Bebre, and a Ghana and penny for by I say Yahoo Bebre. Now or more publish stories are any papa ewo media no. The content are any content are good for public consumption. Now assembly no media media. Now obeshishimuno, now koye TV saka wab advert lady akahono. And then more than beredi beba as our content in Nina or Maho Quine. Emma enko media anase omo nka ho asem ewo asem akwadwo opon kroma eso ede atudwa no na just say no hwema de ekoso ni nyina no mo pa kire se nokware wo ho kwan se de wo se wo ye bia wo ye ene de bibia abaye na so mmra ewo ho mmra ye adwuma ogana mmra no kasa wo mo sori a wo radio so ne TV so na wo mo bodawuro fasika beji sika fa sika beji se ena fasika bra beji sika nua fasika bra beji sika adamfo o mo nyina Ghana mmara ene o mo ebedi ene so de sitie mo especially o mo content no mo TV adverts ne o bibia no o mo be withdraw ni nyina free system nimti ukọ air untimi enkobo saa niema no dawuro biem na just asema say abeto igana asemi minister information minister Kojo Opon Kroma na de tudwa samba kaya nan sen sembiasi ewo mangana mu ade esi na ye very very sad situation and crab mienu bi boni bi a wo mu akodi a boni o mu kodi ye ne nyina ne se enkrai ba ko na nimfie pe o mu ankasa reporter aba bontin nimfie ba ko ye 16 ba ko eye 18 na enkrai na de o mu ye ne se o mu ankasa mo yonko ba ko no so what 10 years omkukuni ya na omde akorai ekoshe fom ehon semba ye Ghana man wiase man edi akire no ensem ankra no de to dwane se omuhu advert bi ewo TV so advert prophetess obia oye dunsini kese oba ba ko a ono oye konfo ne den de charity bensa wono de this advert ba ye na advert nsema na ewom nyina ne se amanfo betima ba bagisika enam so ena nkrai ene maami kasa ya according to nkra na maami ne ka se omomfa 5000 Ghana cedis ena afa nipa ho niema na se nipa da sani mra na obema manya sika ye friend pocket no dry ehun sensem no ene ba ya adofonum ede outcry dia ba public kasa se said the CC and kanya advert no mo ye no TV so ne radio so ne de ka ho a enkankra na anti ankwa akwa yes ade nti aban tu anamon ntu ho anamon se be ya womo mu di sa bone no emra ene omo bedi de se de sitie womo mo ya advert tantan wo radio stations to twe amanfo mo koye bone no emra ene omo bedi de se de sitie ena manu senti no minister wo hwe information o hwe de ekwa abontene de eba ne de ka ho nyina de atodwa se Ghana ban ayen hyehyeye na hyehyeye asese Ghana ban ayen ne kire se wo mo a anase Ghana ban be yen hyehyeye ne organizations ahodro be yen hyehyeye na de wom ni se wo mo a wo mo de tumi be hye o mo nsa ana wo mo be nante abonten se wo mo ankasa akwa yeye advert saka wa advert bi atwetwe nipa ama o makoye sa abone no emre wo Ghana ene o mo be di ne se de sitie enton chenkra no content na wo mo edi ba abonten no mun sensem nyina no sa content ni nyina no Ghana man empedifo a kire se wo mo be withdraw sa content ni nyina every airwaves no na fe wo ha we media station radio station TV station wo be encourage sade no so no eno so emre wo ho ene wo edi ne se de sitie nti be di akire ehun sem bia no so no ye be bomoden na ye de abrem Ghana fo ani age wo some information we ya minister e de abai because ya de a na ha dwene na manfo ka ho asempa yi enti odi abade a Ghana fo esumtwe na Ghana fo ani age wo ho momye tutumreka na ye mra Akuapem Poloo asem no eso Akuapem Poloo Rosemond Brown na say yache no tisi ameno kasa wo osu police for asoye meaning onye nyamfa ne nko jail na judge no sentence no 90 days no wo osu asoye police for asoye ewo ho na mehwehwe mu amensa ka kire se ene mokaya fiada ne yehye mbo se yenya ne ntie se ne omo ne lawyer no ode asem no ebe court na wasiki de ye friend no appeal akase judge no sentence na wade man no na ni enye ho ampa ni lawyer Andrews Kojo votia wabomade di asem no court ampa na nasem a o kanyina ne se say sentence na de man Akuapem Poloo no na eye too harsh enenti court no eye criminal division of the Accra High Court womo na ode appeal no come o mo senkebe ya womo hwe na omo ma ni bail if it's our file appeal enti court na yete Wednesday ya ukuadai ombetie asem no na de omo be kan say ambaso be mani bail and omo mani bail so ni nyina abetodwa na appeal na waye no na asem nyina ne se or say punishment na ye dear man no and can you say a man no ya was in a man custodian punishment or say a man non-custodian punishment be to say community service no and be to say probation no and a warning de account na obi busa say community service no ebi wo Ghana mremu I be a year my home sense ni nyina no ye de bebremo amama ho na sesi amene wo ka say minister be former minister be na we gender minister or the same be to dwa na Rahel Nasema wadi tu dwane se wose Akuapem Poloo ade ne ko jail nyina ne minister ne manager ene ye na manager no show gross disrespect na sa manager no eye ne nwanwa se want to Akuapem Poloo fo ena one handle stay asem no se de sitie na otena ho ama ba bi aduru no ena aduru ne manager no according to former minister ne chere se asem no baaye no omo ye so mbesiesie asem no amicably yakasa amicably ko mbepe kwan bi so ama Akuapem Poloo aba general public no wabepa wiaseman nyina chew saade no wanye ye nti wiaseman emfa enche no Evelyn Taylor exercise mini aba me cha ba bia wo bia na wiaseman nyina emfa enche no na eba se omo friend manager no according to former minister no almost manager no respond the mama no na enye wan kasa omo hu yie na said ebi kura friend kura o tim kasa no wa call no wa bagu na wa say ompem asem kura tie or say manager ne de o pa kire say de Akuapem Poloo ye no ne kwa so ano enti on de wanya na de ne say obepa achew ene apa achew kira enti Akuapem Poloo kwa okodam nyina no eye manager no mfom so ene de saa asem naba because se manager no ohunyansa epa achew ohunyansa epa achew a enkasa de we nyina nka ama ohunyansa ka se me pa achew ade a Akuapem Poloo ye no wanye ne ye mo de momfa nche na ye ntum bibia nkoso na bibia nkoyie no enka manager no hunyansa epa achew a nkasa problems we nyina enka ama na ni nyina akoye se manager no me pa achew no ama ena wa ama ho kwan ama Akuapem Poloo amepa achew ni nyina akoye se na omo pese nka Akuapem Poloo emra public we aseman nyina anim na onfa meto omo nyina anim se opagana fo achew opa wiase nyina achew e wa ade a waje e be se wone ne ba etwa picture no na emfata nti o se nka obepa achew ka kire wiase man nyina se wa age ne ye nti opa achew obia emfa nche no na ne manager no manage no ono na ama ho kwan ama Akuapem Poloo amepa achew nti that means ono na criticize problem no ama oba no ono na ama na oba say o kodam nti former minister ebusa se nti manager o hwe ya wo ye sa ne ma we na ye de oba ne kodam no ye de ne kotum no eno na beboa wo eno na obetima manage obi ne ye de obi kotu jail a eno no kwan be na befa so manage ne bra wo da jail net was asema abanon ado for Akuapem Poloo nsemi celebrities bebra pa bonten kasa ebi no mo chukra organize fundraising pesika sebe yo mo de baba akoboa no ene ne ba no sebe ya nema ebekoso ye de ama no ene na busia na isi ame no kasa celebrities bebra sorry regular stone kwa kesi sa kodie ne o ma sorry say debi Akuapem Poloo kwa mo de ne kotum no enye ne kwa so no na punishment ne too harsh. Cardi B rapper wono so wo America oye nwumtuni a wo America wono so te asem no wono so akye sampa won support to say oba no be yi ne ho abontin titiru e de akye ne ba ne de ka ho nanso punishment no e too harsh na photo shoots yi America hai omo ye bia bere nyina na punishment we de so too much e was say come man custodian the man non custodian as a probation and as a community service bi enti Cardi B so asema ode etudwa Cardi B de enti ode na no betu mu ne kire se mre bi oba Ghana no obehia Akuapem Poloo e ma manfo ka se oni Akuapem Poloo o me yentafo mo ye obi a ne twin sister o Africa eno no e ma woni ni nyina adiasa e ma no e ye de internet adafo no nsema se sei abetodwa a mabonitew e de abremo no Akuapem Poloo se sia no o siki bail o se ope bail akotena fie efri se court no punishment na wodi amano no eye harsh dodo enti omako apply for appeal Sebeya, omo best punishment, no, aye, dear man. Now, at the same time, why file for appeal, dear, ye man, got in the fee, na afi, womo, appeal, no, engagement, na the appeal, nebecano. Na afi emra esoso aye adwuma babs koka to say me chia baby a wo bia e de dwuma de mo hwa me live for YouTube the announcer newspaper e wo YouTube Facebook the announcer newspaper e wo Facebook asemi ba e wiaseman e kasai na nsema wiaseman kai ne se e wo se emra eye adwuma asema wiaseman kai no se emra enye adwuma no one is above the law and then say our former irrespective of the fact say oh yes celebrity. So why Obia should be equal before the law. And then see quiet in the cotum no nyadi say a strange be ebi no much say quiet in the cotum no neba eso onye den na neba I am speaking from me ankasa my analysis any the amount for be so eye and am the etwitwen ebi no much say say ya the cotum na neba eso enye den ne bay why ne behwe ne ba no ne bay why na ebetimi aboa amanema etumpon ewo na kwan sesi amene okasai ebi no so kire se nipa bebiri ba e da jail awo mo ma awo mo da jail nti omo de omo nya Ghana fo omo wo ma enso omo da jail ena mo fence bi omo committee jail ne de omo kɔ no ekoye se eye restrict omo ewo niema bi ne reform omo ewo niema bi omo agye na omo mpese omo san eye biem ere de jail no ne nchire mu nyina no it is nipa ni yem from so a e was said marano any nipa ni di ne said the city irrespective of the nipa ni beka says nipa ni beka say nipa ni beka say e was said Ghana mara any nipa ni di said the city and you say no ye no say no one is above the law obi any wa wa chemra na so obi an chemra na mara di obi a o say mara no ma ho kwan na Ghana man imi enwa no na mara ni di ne said the city enti adofo no say see a net as asem aba eno no enye say you obi de say obi enya asem ena enye say obi bosse say obi asem ato no wi ase ete no no ye de obi kotuma faso wo a wote nchen ya wo bosse no de be faso na abeje ye enye faso obi ya mfiri mu say de obi kotum ba emra ena wo say eye adwuma say be serve as deterrent to others if you say ma sebe oba wani monyam no eye special ade bi wo ho a wo se before obi behu ewo ho no na saa wo ba saa ade no dipa no eye wa nkasa wo special person e na otimi hu saa ade no na oba ade oba bonten na wo ba a otimi hu ade etimi ka akra wo 5 years a mo abroche mba ya test fast no den sama akra wo 5 years be ka no obega so obi owo 20 years e ka questions will be busaw and come on you be at times what one why very surprised say hey 85 years child 5 years old child and only interact and at times you'll be surprised we don't need to underestimate bibia ekoso sabe wo ho kwan say wo ye bibia wo ne obaye bibia but the bad public you know and no na man for ka ho asem I don't think say ne obia hit no obia time no there be but obi kire na dwene obi aso kire na dwene adwenkire so de eni ba akofo trim what I say adwenkire eni ba akofo trim enti obi a will right say o kire na dwene eno ne friend democracy obi a will right say o kire na dwene eno na bi no mo kire o ma dwene o mo kire say e kwan ya fa so a wo yes ade no emfata enti wo say mmara ene ne de ne say de sete enti Ghana mmara ye adwuma mo me ntwen na de mmara ne beka no ye be hu say de sete meda ne lawyer no so ase the lawyer na amanfo so wa amoa no meda lawyer no so ase say wa file appeal edema Akuapem Poloo like I said earlier Akuapem Poloo na kasa no we very respectful obuade ojo onya basa na so ne hu ayiye no e na amanfo mpe we oba reserve dignity we yiyi hu na obu pan wa bonten na we yiyi e wom so person ye popular obi a person ye popular na so you will limit to popularity no how obe approach no in this person ye popular na we hu kwan ya be fa so a obe ye popular and disturb obi peace in this wo ya ade na wan kasa no wo ya ade bi na disturb obi peace a na wo ya ade a emfata enenti sisi ame na kasa yi e ya ade a emra ene need Ghana mind we as mind obi a want a view obi a want opinion but the law must work until let's allow the law to do its own job so that we will come to a conclusion here a very justifiable, and very well accepted by every Ghanaian. And their air courses say, we are all the time, like I said, I'm supporting the process. Na said judge, so no, a punishment, because judge, saying Caucaso de Akuapem Poloo too. Now I need 2 lilienta. Akuapem Poloo, obekom 3 good years. Per Ghana mra, kobekom in fear me and sa. And yes, it be an ordinary thing. Kobekom 3 good years. Into judge, now man for bonus of boa, man for trouble judge. I think it's time you have to cease fire. Judge no crano or ye lilian to her. Judge no a megat per merade that one. And your judge in a yemrano. Judge edumani say. Or interpreting laws of the land. Into and your judge and a yemrano no be a creative impression. Said judge when you say na judge so pretty based on the laws na a wohon. Onto me fanepe. Enya be contrary to the law. It is a merano kase onye say ya. She has to follow what the law says. It is a one chain. Ube argue, ube condemn, ube criticize the judge. It is your own opinion to criticize. But go over the law and then analyze the situation critically. Now what judge say? And punishment being was somebody Akuapem Poloo. You see, I'm not say the woman say Akuapem Poloo. Or no akasa jiatum say oyem from so. So I need to and our said not guilty. Na any a bet tria copentama prosecutor no near attorney general, a bet me proven wronger. Gasam crab drew by December no money. But on no akasa jiatum say yes. Why am from so? It was also why am from so, never say mera, a casa. Now say judge and a share a meranum, a cat and from so no be so a jiatum. Punishment also the man. Now say judge and a year. Sape pepe na judge no a year. Inti, more trouble judge no, I'm some right. And a moon see a near man any so ne bin kasa too much. Oh, kasa, try as much as possible. Never read the baby kakra. They said the minimum baby because he won't read the kakra. Never analysis, never the was all yet. Sabe, no one is above the law. More fun to be more celebrities, more home cancer support my friend. But Muntimen Yemerano and fan Shamuamon some any demopet because me celebrities. No one is supreme, no one is above the law. The constitution is the supreme law of the land. And under the constitution, your work organs of government, legislature, executive, and judiciary. So be a juma. Now do a petition in command and anado. 1 year they saying 1 man of clemency and as 1 man of pardon, 1 man of function and the account. Now do a money comfort and then another one didn't even 1 year then. When they got Akuapem Poloo so cool, punishment you have to accept the responsibility. A ministry of gender ministry. And then the Casa say, general public at Chauno. So Baba Yankee no baby agree. The manager man of Quaya Mananye, as some nearby, and I didn't know Mumus adding to the manager, no, I'm an Quaya Mananyas Adian. Lessons, even social welfare for paying in Afro manager, or Snobono. And Jesus had your way, Cosua. Montimi Marbontina moment, judge the punishment about near the criticize judge, you be trouble judge and just like that. Social welfare director, no Fred, Akuapem Poloo manager. And I have a ministry of gender ministry in the Kasai. Make I don't understand why I say gender ministry in the Kasai. I was a company my law in the year, Juma. Because it shouldn't be some man of quite say one minute, Namon Cia, some there be Esa, there be a Buama man for yard, my form wedi, and only a chance of Milano and Yedman. And never be says here, no man who quite Milano and Yedman. Even ministry or crown will be a bonia, I was a Milano in into the end, was a better gender ministry friend. Now, Macase and call my patch out. That one doesn't make sense. On my patch out for what? And Milana back. They said the Akuapem, if yes was nigga case. Omongo pacho na bibia tunchano. Ade na abano, ade see ya. A lesson must be drawn out of it, so that it will be sent. It will be a sign of a better na a best servo as deterrent to others. Oh, a lesson must be drawn from it. Na be a sign be a be permanently. Na a best servo as deterrent to others, because it been not taking social media for granted too much. It been not social media no more deep penny for them. No more genuine factor with social media. No more the blunt allegation be a omitting substantiate. No more the 2 amount for so no more say amount for. No more cancer be any papa for amount for. Those things will not help. It is obi shas no yes and the law must work. Running judgment. It may Akuapem Poloo, as a matter of fact. Me penasem because of respect obuade. And said you see Casano some or no be a sabi or yet it sem ne de ka ho. And no be obetna social media ebidio be atem. Now so the aban eye ono an from so ne buy photo shoot ekoboro so ne ba ne minor and amra no so no e defend minor no. Inti mrano na eye adwuma to defend the minor. Inti wa abuse ne ba no. Wa ma ne ba na ko emotional trauma. Inti mu celebrities no. Oye sa niema na emfata no. Sa bre no na wo sen kana mo advice no. Samo dobi, mo penasem na oye niema na nya. That was the time you should have called the person to offer your constructive advice to the person. Tell her not to do this, not to do this. You have the right to do this. If you go above this, this is what will happen. Let her know the pros and cons before you come out. What did you say? Did you call her to advise her not to do that again? The next time they say, we are so damn person naked. Now, on you be a quadros, on you be quadros, and you to me. Then you video about bunting, and no pictures about bunting. And also buy and any demon quan or share. Social media beam no mo sade beto ye na omo pa kyerese edwaduru mra was a limit ba bibi ho e was a limit ba ho na be ya next time no e bi no mo social media mo jimi wo ho no o masesa because o ba timba social media na wa record obi kasa na wo dia ba na wa be on social media without the person's authorization sa ne man nyina ya against the law e was a mo dis adwuma no emra no any omudi why be your son o corner reporting the Panama police for appropriately because only the panel didn't come friendly. Only say the panel record before I record you have to seek authorization from the person. Now no also be then a pen or no the recorder to the phone so no record without your knowledge. Oh nobody TV so nobody radio so. What child video or no there but a tia morality or privacy. It will be your side and not the social media. Appropriate police be a bill be abonamania. Say the panel or Ghana so UK or US or Japan or baby Interpol mera ebeyejuma ama merani nedi. Enti mo be and fan who scot free. Now on man or jeopardize will be freedom. Yard and say will be any munyam just like that sir. But mom this social media I'm say be bring merano. And they don't know how the law works. So they just come out, talk anyhow, and they insult people. They just lie about people without substantiating. Before you bring allegation about somebody, there is very important issue you have to remember that the allegation will affect the person's integrity and emotional. It will cause emotional trauma in the person too. So those things you need to analyze it before you bring. Before you make that allegation, or if you have any video or pictures or any audio about the person, before you bring them out, you need to also analyze it and know that what you are doing is going to bring disgrace to the person. And you will be prepared to handle that disgrace when the time is appropriate. And to say, if people are doing that, they need to stop. And something has to happen. The law must work to give serious punishment to those who are indulging in that activities, so that it will serve as a deterrent to others, and people will not be doing those things and go scot-free. And no, and creative problems. Social media no. But mama yes, I am a time social media no. They are not above the law, and the law must work. And did you my dear watch my life? YouTube, the announcer newspaper, so Facebook, the announcer newspaper, so Asema Abeto Eja, and on Akuapem Poloo, the lawyer, Abomoding, and the Assembly Court to say Usiki for appeal. Say, why appeal? Say, judgment na, the man, no say, Uncle that jail, 90 days, no, a 2 hash. And in the appeal court, no, or money, not one more. As a result of that, no, must have finally say, and I'm somebody as a court for appeal, no. Pending a year appeal no outcome no and was see a money bail na ekotene until appeal no outcome no ebeba and a bail no emunsem no Accra court ebetie no eye ukuada na o ma hwe se omo be man bail ana omo man bail ansem asese abeto etwa eno no enti ebedi akire na de wom bia no so no ye de abremo saso na sisi amene mo kase kwajo oponkroma wono na Minister of Information Republic of Ghana na sema wode atodwa eni se wo se Ghana man wo mo a omo de mmerahye omo nsem na omo kotena TV so na wo mo ye advert bia enye papa eye sakawa adverts ebinim timi kasa fasika baji sika fasika baji ajapade fasika baji wei emra ene omo bedi ne se de sitie saase na content na wo mo ede eba airwaves no omo be make sure some be remove content ni nyina na Ghana airwaves no sanity abaho wo mse omo radio station TV stations no omo pemfaso wo omo adwuma omo ye de but ade omo ye no so no it may create problems so ema ebinom internet say no adofrom eno so nsema abeto edwane na ha na me de besi me de ede that friend me da munyana asesa mo join me wo dwumadie mu Nyankopon ka obi aho na de oye bia no so no entumpon wo na kwan mu kama yakra mu nyina Awurade eni obi achi akramo